In England, two popular sports are cricket and football. You can play cricket with a bat and a ball. There are 2 teams and in each team there are 11 players. People play cricket outside and on the green grass. You can play cricket with your friends at a park on the grass. It is very exciting and you need to run very fast. Other countries like Australia, Sri Lanka, South Africa, and India play cricket too. Football or soccer in the United States is also popular. Children and adults play it at school, in the park, or on a football pitch. You can play football with a ball and a goal post. There are 11 players in a football team. In England, there are a lot of famous football teams like Liverpool, Manchester United, Manchester City, Chelsea, Arsenal, and Aston Villa. I love practicing sports. When I was a child, I did ballet and I played badminton. Some people say that ballet or dancing is not a sport, but I think that they are sports. I think that dancing is beautiful and fun. I like dancing to classical music. Badminton is also fun to play. You need a racket and a shuttlecock, not a ball, to play. It's similar to tennis, but I prefer badminton. What sports do you like? One sport that I don't like is basketball. You can play basketball with a ball and a basket. I'm not very tall and I'm not very good at throwing the ball, so I'm not good at playing basketball. Another sport that I don't like is golf. Golf is very slow and long, so I don't think that it is fun or exciting. You can play golf with a golf ball and a golf club. What sports don't you like? Some sports that I haven't tried are rugby and horse riding. I have never tried these sports, so I don't know if I like them. I think that I won't like rugby because you need to push the other players. Also, you need to be strong to play this sport. I think that I will like horse riding because I love animals. Horses are beautiful animals. My friends say that horse riding is fun and exciting. Some sports that I want to practice in the future are surfing and windsurfing. I love the sea and I love swimming in the ocean, so I think that they are great sports. I think that the ocean, the wind, and the sunshine are very relaxing. When I go on holiday, I want to try surfing and windsurfing. To do windsurfing, you need a board and a sail. But to do surfing, you only need a board. What sport do you want to try? If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of videos like this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.